Hello beautiful, it is Tash. Today I'm doing a Kiss Me Live Glam lip swatch video. You get 3 liquid lipsticks for $19.95 a month. I believe that is US, and then for international shipping it's like $3.95 or something like that. It's really cheap. Obviously all US dollars, and you get 3 different liquid lipsticks each month. They send them to you, and this is the January month, so it's a little bit late. Sorry about that, guys, but it is it's coming to you now. And so they also give you like a little pamphlet, and it shows you the 3 colors that you get and like the kind of stuff about them. I just have a code for you guys that you can use, so you can get a extra free lipstick for your first purchase. So you get 4 lipsticks for $19.95 US. That is such a good deal. I don't get paid or anything like that. You guys just get like a free lipstick. Like that's literally the thing. So these are the 3 lipsticks for the January box. We have Sequins, which is a peachy rose metallic, and then we have Goals, which is kind of like the ultimate red kind of color, and then we have Midnight, which is a grey matte lippy. So this one I am kind of the most scared for, because this is definitely the most out of my comfort zone. They have a really nice scent to them. It's not too strong, I don't think. That's really good pigment in that one. That is all the shades swatch. So you have Sequins, Goals, and Midnight. Shall let me do this. It's so weird seeing me with like no lip product, but I don't think it looks that bad though. So so as I said, let's not look at the dodgy application. So it is obviously very metallic. I'm not sure how I feel about the metallic sort of colour. To be honest, I don't normally wear metallic, so this is definitely a little bit different for me. To be honest, it isn't that opaque. You probably can't tell. I don't know if you guys can see, but here it's a little bit patchy. Like, I think that's the thing, is the colour's just not even all over. I feel like if you had a lip liner underneath, like one that was close to this colour, it would probably look really good. I think this would also look really nice just like in the centre of the lips as well. Personally, it's not a colour I would wear too much. I don't know. Like, I like it, but I'm not used to it because I don't really wear metallics. It looked really nice on the camera, but I feel like in person, it doesn't look as nice, you know what I mean? I do just want to say I did moisturize my lips before starting this, so I don't know if that is something you want to be aware of or not, but I just thought I'd let you know. I'm going to do this grey one next, because I have a feeling I'm not going to want to wear this all day. I think I probably want to wear the red one all day. Don't my lips look crazy now? This colour is in the process of drying down. This one is the Midnight shade. It's the grey. I feel like it's looking a little bit green on camera. I could be wrong, but it is definitely 100% grey. Like, the colour that you see in the tube is the colour it comes out. Obviously, because the tube's clear. I mean, anyway, it's kind of got like a velvety sort of finish. It is a little bit like sticky / tacky, but nothing like as you talk like this you'd notice. It'd only be like when you go like that you would notice it. My eyes look crazy right now. Okay, just forget that. This color is definitely a lot more opaque. There isn't the streakiness in this color that you get in the Sequins color, which is like the metallic. I do definitely like the formula of this better, I think. I might wear it in a video, but I definitely don't think I'd ever wear this out. I don't think I'd be game to do that. Unless I was going to a festival. This might be a really fun color for a festival. When my camera died, I had to wait for it to charge a little bit so that I could show you this color. This one is Goals. This is probably my favorite color, I think. I love kind of the orangey sort of red. I feel like it is definitely coming up a lot more orange on camera than it is. It is definitely a lot more red. Oh, yeah. Okay. It's definitely an orangey red, but I think it's coming up a lot more of like a vibrant orange on camera than it is. It's not quite as bright. In this color I've noticed sink into my lines just a little bit, but that probably is just the color that you can notice it a bit more, but it's really comfortable to wear. It's not transfer proof. There is a little bit, maybe you can see like that little line in there, kind of just like the inner part of my lip, but like the outer part's fine. There's no transfer there. It looks really nice in pictures, like video, as you can see. The packaging on these is gorgeous. Like, I mean, what more could you ask for, really? Like, they're so pretty. I do definitely recommend you check these out if you like some affordable liquid lipsticks. As I said, don't forget to check my link down below so you guys can get a free Lippie for your first month.